Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the crowd counting project using machine learning. So user can upload the image, video and live streaming. So let's select any input image. Okay, and model will first detect and count the total number of person, like total number of person 24 and density not dense. Let's select any other image. And model will detect and count the total number of person. It will count the total number of person 31 and density dense. Let's select from video. We have to browse any input video, and model will detect and count the total number of person in that particular video, and it will show the density. You can see it will show the counting like 18, 19, 7, and it will show the density as dense. Like whenever the camera moving, the number of people counting is changing continuously because the camera movement is there. Let's click on back button. You can also give the live streaming. You have to enter the IP address, then it works on the live streaming. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.